The 2025 Nissan Murano has earned a top good rating in the IIHS's updated moderate overlap front crash test, which now includes a rear seat dummy to evaluate second-row passenger safety. This result reflects strong protection for both front and rear occupants, thanks to well-managed crash forces and effective seatbelt restraint. The updated moderate overlap front test by IIHS simulates a 40% frontal impact at 40 miles per hour. Murano's cabin maintained structural integrity, with low injury measures for the front dummy and impressive restraint performance in the rear, where sensors showed minimal chest and head injury risks. The seatbelt tension and dummy movement were well controlled, a key factor in achieving the top score. Murano's strong performance across all IIHS crash tests, including headlights and front crash prevention, also helped it secure the prestigious Top Safety Pick Plus award for 2025. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.